So now that we've done windows of opportunities and triggers, we're going to go into the more conventional aspects of decision-making process. How do you acquire customers? And this starts with lead generation. That's where the customers become exposed to our product. They become aware of our product. And there's all these potential people out there from our TAM, but how do we get specific names, specific email addresses, specific phone numbers, specific addresses that we can go follow up on? Because you don't sell to just some anonymous, cloud. We need specific people so we can have interactions to get sales.
And what are some of the ways in which you can generate leads?
Yeah, that's really the question, right? How do we take this just amorphous cloud of people and move them into suspects, which will ultimately move to prospects and then hopefully customers? So there's a lot of ways to do that. You can go out and you can buy lists. You can go get lists of industry groups that are focused on your specific target customer, your end user, your economic buyer, your champion. You can put out inbound marketing. You can put out something to see how people react and then get those emails we talked about with HubSpot. Or you can just go door to door cold calling, picking up the phone, emailing people. All of those are the full spectrum, but you want to get much more efficient at that because it's going to be very costly to do it the latter way, just cold calling.
But ultimately, it seems to me that how you generate leads depends on the nature of your business. And that's where the work you did previously in Entrepreneurship 101 with end user, with persona, really understanding your customer and what do they do that might attract them to you really matters.
Yeah, exactly. Remember we talked about name your next 10 customers.
Right.
And your persona, we already have one real customer. So we should, by this point, have 11 real customers. And within those, we've kind of camel's nose in the tent. And we know what they look like, and then we ask them, who else do they know? Who else do they know? Where do they go? What are their watering holes? And then we're going to follow them to their watering holes, because the watering holes are where the animals congregate to drink this water. So that's where we're going to find more of them. And you're correct, it's very contextual, it's very specific to the situation, which is what we've built up in Entrepreneurship 101 and 102, and also through our analysis of the DMU here in the previous step. So in summary, lead generation is a repeatable process that gives us a continuous flow of specific names, addresses, emails of people who are suspects that we're then going to move down to prospects and ultimately to customers. But this is the top of the funnel that we're going through, lead generation.